In this section, you have to answer 15 mathematics questions. Select the answer that you think is correct and mark its letter from A to E on your answer sheet. Use the space provided below each question for workings. 14. The chart below shows how many books were returned to the library and borrowed from the library during 1 week. If there were 30,000 books in the library at the start of the week, how many books were in the library at the end of the week? To answer this question, we need to recognise that there were 30,000 books in the library at the start of the week. So let's start with the number of books which were borrowed. On Monday, you can see that 400 books were borrowed, so this represents 400 books. On Tuesday, you can see 350 books were borrowed. On Wednesday, you can see that 250 books were borrowed. On Thursday, you can see that 200 books were borrowed. And finally, on Friday, you can see that 450 books were borrowed. So let's add those values together first of all. 400 plus 350 makes 750. Another 250 makes 1,000. Then we have 1,200 and then 1,650. So 1,650 books were borrowed, but some books were returned as well. So now we need to count the books that were returned. On Monday, 300 books were returned, so this represents 300 books. On Tuesday, 250 were returned. On Wednesday, as you can see, 450 books were returned. On Thursday, 150 books were returned. And finally on Friday, as you can see, 300 books were returned. So now we add together the books which were returned to the library. We have 300 plus 250, so that's 550. A further 400 makes 950, and another 50 would make 1,000. And then we have a further 150, so that's 1,150, plus another 300, which makes 1,450 books. So 1,450 books were returned to the library. If I subtract the number of books which were returned from the number of books which were borrowed, this will give me the number of books which were borrowed overall, because as you can see, there's a difference of 200. So in other words, once books have been borrowed, but then some returned, borrowed and returned over the course of the week, 200 books would be taken from that 30,000 books in the library at the beginning of the week. So that means we'd be left with 29,800 books in the library. It means the right answer to this question was option E. And you can show the answer of E on the answer paper like this.